The XPPen Artist Pro 16 Gen 2 is a cutting-edge graphics tablet monitor designed to elevate the creative experience for artists, designers, and digital enthusiasts. With its expansive 16-inch display, 2.5K resolution, and groundbreaking 16K pressure levels, this device offers unparalleled precision and clarity, making it a powerful tool for both professional and amateur creators. At the heart of the Artist Pro 16 Gen 2 is the X3 Pro Smart Chip Stylus, which boasts an industry-leading 16,380 for pressure levels, double that of its predecessor. This innovation ensures smoother, more responsive strokes, while the improved accuracy of plus or minus 0.4 millimeters sender allows for meticulous detail in every creation. The stylus is ergonomically designed with a cone shape and a replaceable silica gel grip, ensuring comfort during long hours of use. The Artist Pro 16 Gen 2 also features a wireless shortcut remote, which boosts productivity by providing quick access to essential functions. The device supports both wired and Bluetooth connectivity, adapting seamlessly to various workspace setups. Its dual reversible ports HDMI 3-in-1 or USB-C offer flexible connectivity options, enabling simultaneous charging and data transmission. One of the standout features is the ability to switch between display and tablet modes with a simple button press, making it versatile for different creative workflows. The tablet also supports screen split and screen projection, expanding its functionality for gaming, entertainment, and multitasking, compatible with Windows, macOS, Android, Chrome OS, and Linux. The Artist Pro 16 Gen 2 works seamlessly with popular digital art software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Krita, and Blender 3D. The package includes a comprehensive set of accessories, such as the X3 Pro Smart Chip Stylus, pen case, wireless remote, cables, power adapter, drawing glove, and cleaning cloth. The tablet's 2560 by 1600 resolution and 99% sRGB color gamut delivers stunning visual fidelity, bringing every detail to life with vibrant colors and sharp clarity. The fully laminated screen eliminates parallax errors, ensuring that the stylus nib and cursor are perfectly aligned for precise control. Additionally, the anti-glare, anti-fingerprint etched glass surface provides a paper-like texture, making drawing and sketching feel natural and intuitive.